on this one, on the composite van, we went ahead and stripped all the decals and everything else off the side. Once we get that done, we're gonna take it, we're gonna go over with 180, try and smooth it out best we can, because you can see there's a bunch of surface cracks all on the whole thing. So we're gonna go ahead and sand it down with 180. After we get the 180, we're gonna go back over the top of it with 320 to smooth out the scratches. So then that way we can run some sealer. When we run sealer, the only thing we're gonna be doing is basically running sealer on the spots that had the old decals and then just paint the whole thing white. So what you will notice is all the little pop rivets are gonna go ahead and be painted white. We talked to the customer and he doesn't wanna remove all the rivets to paint it to then have them put back on, which I agree. I think it would be way too much work. But so all the pop rivets are gonna get painted. The metal along here, pretty much we're just gonna go ahead and tape off and then paint and then peel the tape. We will be painting along the frame as well. So for the frame, we're gonna go ahead and we're actually gonna pull all the rivets off the frame and pull the framing off of here. And then go ahead and sand it down and then shoot that, and then we'll put the rivets and stuff back on. So that's there. There was a small crack in the fiberglass. We didn't notice till we got it here. I didn't talk to the customer about it. Fiberglass that piece up, reinforce it, and then repaint the wheel wells with it and then go from there. So we're pretty much done with the trailer. Again, we went through, scuffed everything up, took all the decals off of it, put sealer over the top of the decals, painted over the top of that. The other thing we did is when we went through, we noticed there was some rust stuff. So we cleaned it out the best we could and we put the rust pour on it, clean, quick paint job. We'll get it out of the booth, get it pulled off. Only thing I wish we could do was I wish we could either polish or replace all the aluminum strips and all that other stuff to make it look prettier. But overall, not bad for a trailer that was from the 90s. So, yeah.